Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and as promised, here is how I made those adorable birthday cards. So I found this cute design on Cricut, and I will go ahead and link this design in the description below. Another thing to note is to make sure your material size is the correct cardstock size that you plan to use for this project. And then once you're good to go ahead and click continue. Once I had my material sizes all sorted, I went ahead and I laid out everything, and there are quite a few different colors of cardstock needed for this project. So once all of the pieces were cut out, I went ahead and I laid them out. And as you can see, I'm comparing two different glues, which if you click the link above, that'll take you to that video. Now I am putting the candles onto the cards using dimensionals that I got from the dollar store. By using dimensionals, it adds emphasis to different parts of the card. As promised, I will leave the link to this design in the description. Comment below which card is your favorite. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can get a notification for next week's St. Patrick's Day video. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.